So here's another magazine, AK 7.62 by 39mm magazine that I haven't covered yet. And this is made by SGM Tactical, and it's made in the USA. And this is their Vepr Mag. It has a circle 8 on it. I don't know if that's significant. But, okay, let's go over it. I gave this a score of 12 out of possible 29. Anyway, it gets some good marks in some areas, but it needs some work in others. The floor plate looks like it should be easy to remove, but it isn't. I worked at it, and I just couldn't seem to make it happen. I don't know if maybe I'm not doing it right. Because see, that is, no, that's lined up. It should slide off, and it doesn't. I managed to get it to slide back, I don't know, about 3 or 4 millimeters, and then it just wants to stop again. I don't know what's going on there, but it looks like it should be easy to come off, and it's not. One thing working against it is there's no texturing on the floor plate to help you get the thing off. And I even tried using the ballpoint pen cap that I was using to press down on the button to try to pull the hole back, and I managed pressing down with that to push on this edge and get that 3 or 4 millimeters, but then after that I couldn't get it to move. So, and I think I might have had the same problem with the Saiga mag. Anyway, so it feels like it would be a durable mag. There's no witness hole. I don't think there's any steel lining in it. I can't check. I can't check to see if the spring is treated at all. I could check online to see what their claims are, but I'd rather see it for myself. No metal reinforcement on the feed lips. It looks like it does have a bolt hold open, though the metal's kind of, gosh, this lighting is really horrible, isn't it? Anyway, right there, looks like there's a darkened metal piece that might be the bolt hold open. The follower is anti-tilt, and it moves pretty smoothly inside the mag as far as I can tell so far. The front locking lug is polymer, and look at that, it's kind of rounded. There's not much of a ledge there. Also, it's on the more narrow side, and I'm not sure, but I think that might be a difference from the Saiga mag. I would have to take another look. The rear locking lug is also polymer, but I gave this thing, I think, a -1 on the rear lug, because not only is it not metal, but it's polymer, but it's also not, there's not much polymer there. That's just a tiny little blade that I suspect would break off real easy. I haven't bothered to put it through any stress tests, so I can't be sure, but I can't give them any points for that. It just looks like it's designed to fail. So, so yeah, this mag gets about 0.67 points per dollar, running at around $18 a piece. So I would compare this one to the Vepr Mag, or the the Saiga Mag, also by SGM Tactical. I think I've done a video on that one already, and you can see if there are any differences. I could compare them side to side, but I've already made the video, I believe, on the Saiga Mag, so don't really want to cover that ground again. Anyway, I think I bought this just to have it in the collection. I think that if they made some improvements to this mag, it could be a real competitor. They got to do something with that floor plate. Metal reinforcement at least on the rear locking lug. Preferably metal reinforcement on the feed lips. And then I think they'd have a pretty decent mag here. So my source for this was Bud's Gun Shop. So if you want one, you can pick it up there.